Hi guys, before I record, I just want, oh yeah, my hair's messy, that's not one of those things. I'm going to tell you, before I record, I'm going to tell you 3 things. Number 1, I'm sorry I haven't recorded in a long time. Number 2, I done a Mega Salamence EX unboxing and I got Salamence EX, Mega Salamence EX, and that didn't upload. And thirdly, we got our first 2 break cards, Talonflame break. That was recorded on the video, but Greninja break wasn't. So that video is not uploaded, and again, it's been a long time. But today, we have got the new Sun and Moon Aeola edition. I think you can show you that. It's backwards because I'm not a very good recorder. So yeah, let's get this baby open. I'm sorry, I need to really try edit. So if you know how to edit, tell me in the comment section below to make my videos better and untrashy. So we have this base open. Now we're going to try to get this off. Oh, that was easy. We have to go through the things we got first. Oh, sorry, I'll try you here. Alright, so the first thing we have is the legendary. Whoa, this one's a GX, not an EX. Wow, Soul Burst is GX too. Sun Steel Strike, 230 damage. This is the best card of the whole eternity. Solgaleo GX, and it's a huge version. Yikes. Alright, now we're going to have to try to take this off to get the others out. Oh, where's the badge? Here we go. Here's the 3 new starters. So I think this one is, wait, what does the card say? This one right here is Litten. This one's Roller, and this one I think is Poplio. Now let's get to the cards I just read from. So, this is Leo here, looking cool as ever. We have Combustion, 30 damage. It's pretty cool. We have Poplio, another starter. He has Pound, 10 damage, and Water Gun, 20 damage. He's pretty cool too. We have Rowlet. Is Tackle 10 and Leaf Edge 20. Yeah, it's 20. Now I'm just putting these down. We have these 3 to open. Just to tell you, I did get some card packs, but I opened them both. It's nothing new anyway, guys. You didn't miss anything. So yeah. Sorry. So to start off with XY Phantom Forces with Mega Manectric on the front. Let's try to do this again. And if this video doesn't upload, I'm gonna have to try fix my iPad a bit because it's getting trashy with my charger too. Oh, there we go. The trick is, oh, see Waddle, he's new. The trick is to rip fast, because that's how you get that card. So we have Seawaddle, Whismur, Zubat, Helioptile, Swirlix, which is Ando's favourite. I think so. Diggersby, he's good. Chandelure, I think that's how you say it. Oh, we got an evolution chain. I think that's an evolution chain. Swadloon, evolves from Seawaddle, Professor Sycamore, and Shauna. So, you have 2 trainers at once. That's a pretty good start with an evolution chain. So now we're on the evolutions pack. I hate evolution packs, but they seem to be the most popular to some people because there are, no, not for some people. That, oh no, we might have to do a little X-ray on this. Oh no. We'll save this one for last. So now we have Primal Clash with Groudon. Looking awesome as ever. Come on, please get an EX. That's our goal in this pack. Here we go. There we go, we opened it. Thank God for that. If we didn't open this Primal Clash, I'll cry. Alright, so we have a looted, yellow unboxing, a Soul Rock. I already have a Drill Burr, but here it is. Nose Pass. Full Beat. Whoa! I think this is a secret. I don't know how to say it. Just don't hate towards, I don't know how to say. Rhyperior. Look at him. A energy, so special energy, a wonder. Fairy energy. Another one. Right after we got, I actually gave this to someone because I didn't think it was awesome enough. Don't think I'm a brat because I'm not. Right. And we have teammates. I'm getting muddled up now. So we're keeping these two. We're keeping these two at the side for a minute. And we just need to add this special energy. Now we're going to have to try and open this. Oh, here we go, here we go. Here we go, if I can wrap my fingers round. Oh, come on, come on. Oh no. It's like trying to take out a loose tooth. But way harder. And less pain and not painful. Oh, here we go. I grabbed the edge. We'll try unboxing it, boys. Here we go. It's open. Now I have to open my least favourite. Oh, come on. Why? What? Look, I'm so close. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm tearing it apart. Nice. So, Sandshrew. Vulpix. Nidoran. Growlithe. Rattata. Fighting Energy. Dugong. A Full Heal. A Choke. Switch. And the Missing No. I call it Missing No, so don't send hate towards me. Not even a single EX this time. So, well, where did we put those cards? Not the special ones. We got. Oh, we put them here. So, who do you think should go first? I think this Ludicolo should go first. And then, who's my least favourite? I don't want to send hate towards Rowler, but I think he's my least favourite. My second least favourite is Poplio. And my favourite is Litten. Alright, I have to put teammates down there because I hate teammates. Let's just review everything we got. We got the badge. We got Mega Soul. We have solgaleo GX. And we have these stack of cards. So thank you ever so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to absolutely destroy that subscribe button and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Pa-pow!